Nice, everybody. Welcome to Family English Language Improvement Center with Mr. Kabada. This time I'm going to present sentence errors or revised questions on sentence errors. So before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. The questions are multiple choice questions, so I'm going to just give a clear explanation about each question. First, you identify the types of sentence errors and how you are in a position to correct the sentence and write correctly, please. The first question is here: running quickly through the crowded park. So how can this sentence can be corrected? First, what kind of problem? What kind of sentence errors does the sentence have? Second, which one of the distractors is really meaningful correction for the first sentence? So what you intend to do is first, as I told you before, is sentence error identification, then write correctly. The style or the approach of the question is completely different from the previous questions. All the questions are multiple choice questions here. የመጀመሪያ ስራችሁ ጥያቄው ስህተቱ ምንድነው? ስህተቱን ከለየን በኋላ ያን አረፍተ ነገር አስተካክለን ስንጽፈው ከተቀመጡት አማራጮች ውስጥ የትኛው ትክክል ነው? እሱ ነው የምናየው። Running quickly through the crowded park. So what kind of is it really fragment, commas polite, run on, dangling modifier, misplaced pronoun, antecedent, subject, verb, agreement? Which one do you think is which type of sentence error is this? If you answer here is fragment, absolutely right. Fragment. Running quickly through the crowded park. This is participle phrase because the sentence begins a kind of participles. So it doesn't complete here. So the participle phrase by itself is the dependent clause and it doesn't have any main clause or independent clause. So this clause doesn't give complete meaning, so it's simply called fragment. Okay, fragment ማለት ምናልባት participle clause ብቻ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ main clause ሊሆን ይችላል፣ subject ብቻ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ object የለውም፣ verb የለውም። ምናልባት ይሄ verb ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም verbal phrase ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም predicate ሊሆን ይችላል። ምን ይጎለዋል? subject verb ይጎለዋል። እንደዚህ አይነት ጉድለቶች ከታዩበት fragment by itself is not, it doesn't give complete sense, it gives incomplete thought which doesn't give complete meaning. fragment ስንል የተሟላ ሐሳቡን ማስተላለፍ የማይችል የተቆራረጠ ሐሳቡን ብቻ ይዞ የሚገለጽ አገላለጽ ነው። ስለዚህ እሱ ነው የምናየው። running quickly through the crowded park, the children played. No. This is not a complete. This is not the way or the strategy or the approach of correcting fragment. fragmenቱን ከለየን በኋላ እንዴት ነው የምናሳክለው? ስህተቱን ከለየን ስህተቱ የጎደለውን ነገር ፈልጎ መክተት ነው አሁን የሚፈለገው ነገር። ስለዚህ ሌላ ምን አደረኩት? ይሄንን of course what's called dangling modifier ነው ያደረኩት። dangling modifier. This is also another problem. Okay, because the implied subject and the principal subject are not similar, so it's dangling modifier. He was running quickly through the crowded park. And he was running. He was running quickly through the crowded park. Here is subject and here is was running, which is past continuous. This is also a meaningful sentence because the missed words and phrases are inserted here and it gives sense here. Running quickly through the crowded park and he was his friend. No. The meaning is incomplete. It still doesn't give complete sense. As he was running quickly through the crowded park, still is another fragment, please. አሁን ይሄ መጨረሻው ስታዩት ሌላ ፍራግመንት ነው። ምክንያቱም subordinate conjunction reason clause ነው የተጠቀመው አይደል? as because since ልክ አያያዥ ቀራቸው reason cause effect ነው እንጂ ከፍራግመንት ምንም አራቀም። ስለዚህ መርሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚለው? if you answer me ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። he was running quickly. He was running subject and here is verb, adverb, through the crowded park is prepositional phrase. So it gives sense and meaning. So this must be corrected by inserting subject plus verb. So the answer is B. Number 2, I love going to the beach. It's so relaxing. What kind of sentence problem does it have? I love going to the beach. It's so relaxing. Yeah. ምን አይነት ሰንተንስ ኤረር ነው እዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ያለው? ከለየን በኋላ እንዴት ላስተካክለው? አሁን ለምሳሌ ፍራግመንት ካልኩኝ ሰብጀክት እና ቨርብ ይጎላል፣ አስተካክልኩት። ስለዚህ ኮምፕሊት ሴንስ ሰጠኝ ማለት ነው። I love going to the beach. It's so relaxing አለ። ሶ ምንድነው ችግሩ? ያረፍተ ነገር ኮማ ስፕላይስ ካላችሁ ልክ ነው፣ ኮማ ስፕላይስ ነው። ምክንያቱም wrong use of comma ማለት ነው አይደል? ወይም it's a kind of run-on sentence ነው። run-on sentence ማለት two independent clauses can be separated with a comma which is wrongly used. Yeah, which is wrongly used. So we cannot use this just like this. The problem, yeah. If you identify the sentence has a comma splice problem, we have 4 ways of correcting these comma splice as well as run-on sentence. As I told you last time, I explained in detail last time. Use that structure to correct it. Yeah, comma splice እና run-on sentence ከሆነ ምናስተካክልባቸው መንገዶች 4 መንገዶች እንደሆነ ከዚህ በፊት ተነጋግረናል። I love going to the beach. It is so relaxing. Now meaning run-on sentence አደረኩ because there is no any kind of punctuation between the two clauses here. So zero so run-on sentence. I love going to the beach. It is so relaxing. That's semicolon. Yeah, semicolon. It separates two simple, a short, complete, related, short, complete or related sentence or clauses here. So semicolon, of course, possible no. I love going to the beach and comma here. No. I love going to the beach and it is so relaxing. No here. I love going to the beach and it's so relaxing. So the answer is what? B ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። 4 መንገዶች አሉት። ሁለቱን ሐሳቦች በሰሚኮለን መለየት እንችላለን። ኮማ ፕላስ ኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀክሽን መለየት እንችላለን። ፔሪየድ ፕላስ ካፒታል ሌተር መጀለስ እንችላለን። any kind of subordinating conjunction plus መጠቀም እንችላለን. or sometimes it is possible to make correct sentence if a sentence has comma splice problem with one of the conjunctive verb which is appropriate to join the two markers. Please conjunctive verbዎችን ተጠቅመን comma splicing ወይም run-on sentence ማስተካከል እንችላለን. ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማን ነው የሚሆነው? I love going to the beach. It's so relaxing. Semicolon. Meaningful sentence it is, please. Question number 3. Yeah, the student turned in his essay to the teacher. That was handwritten. The student turned in, yes sir, what kind of problem here? Turned his essay to the teacher. That was handwritten. Yeah, what kind of sentence problem is this? If you answer number C, number 3, misplaced modifier, misplaced ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው because there are words and phrases which completely doesn't or do not modify what they want to modify it. They situated or arranged far from the word or the phrase that they modify. Right? ሞዲፋየሮቹ ፍሬዝ ወይም ወርድ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። ሞዲፋይ ከሚያደርጉበት ቃል ወይም ሐረግ ተለይተው የብቻቸው ሲቀመጡ misplaced ማለት ነው። misplaced, wrong placed of modifiers. If they are wrong placed of modifiers, they cannot modify either the noun or the noun phrase. Exactly. Some of the common misplaced modifiers are relative clause here. So that was handwritten. It doesn't modify because it comes at the end of the sentence. So it doesn't give sense here because it doesn't modify or describe what they want to modify, what it wants to modify. Exactly. So the problem is misplaced modifier here. So after identifying the problem, let's come to the correct distractors here. Yes, the student turned in his essay. That was handwritten to the test. Of course, Neoski. The student turned in his handwritten essay to the teacher. Of course, the student turned in his essay to the teacher and it was handwritten. No. So the answer is A and B. So D is the answer, please. Both these and these are true, please. I'm sorry. The student turned in his essay. That was handwritten. Look here. That was here. Let me underline this one. This one is, please, what? This is the modifier. Relative clause, no? ሞዲፋየር ነው ማን ነው ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው the student የሚለውን ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው the student it modifies the student that was handwritten የሚለው እኮ event የሚገልጸው the student ነው yes the students essay ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ essay ስለዚህ አይደንቲፋይ ያደረገው የዚህን አረፍተ ነገር ዲስክራይብ አደረገ ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ማለት ነው isn't it yes so right አሁን wrong place አለም ትክክለኛው ቦታው ሞዲፋይ ያደረገ meaningful sentence ነው the student turned to his handwriting essay to the teacher of course meaningful his አሁንም እዚህ ጋር his handwritten essay subjectቱን the student የሚመልስ ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው ስለዚህ እና ቢ possible መልስ ናቸው ይሄን ጥያቄ ዲፋይን ያደርጉታል መልሳችሁን ዲ ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ nice please question number 4 here while walking to the store the rain began to fall while walking to the store the rain began to fall what kind of sentence error is this number 4 dangling ካላችሁ ልክ ነው መጀመሪያ dangling ማለት the first sentence begins with a gerund or gerund participle clause ነው የሚጀምረው አይደል በparticiple clause ከጀመረ እዚህ ጋር principal subject እና implied ይሄ implied subject ነው የprincipal subject ነው እነሱ የተለያዩ ሲሆኑ dangling ይባላል two subjects do not have the same subject two clauses do not have the same subjects that's dangling modifier yeah okay ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብን የተለያየውን subject እዚህ ጋር በመናገኘው ፍንጭ አስተካክል መጻፍ ከቻልን ሰንተንሱን አስተካክል ነው ማለት ነው ያ አስተካክል ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ while walking to the store the rain began to fall while walking who is walking no subject written here the rain is different subjects the same sense with the question ምንም ልዩነት የለውም ከመጀመሪያው ላይ while walking to the field I felt the rain began to fall of course there is subject here and the subject here is also I the same subject parallel maybe meaningful sentence here walking to the store the rain began there is a person walking to the store a person walking to the store but it talks about the rain which are different subjects so still it is dangling modifier as walking to the store the rain yeah this is dependent and whereas this is dependent it doesn't have similar subjects still it is dangling modifier so walking to the store someone walking to the store I felt the rain began to fall I felt sometimes you can just use this kind of verbs to make the speaker the subject parallel I saw I found I met I heard I felt which makes both the implied and the principal subject parallel here so the answer is B እዚህ ጋር መጠቀምበት ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው principal subject እና implied subject ባለቤቶቹ ተመሳሳይ ሳይሆኑ ሲቀሩ ስለተለያየ ጉዳይ ነው የሚያወራው ይሄ ዳንግሊኛ ያሰኛቸዋል ስለዚህ ተመሳሳይ subject ማድረግና ያረፍተ ነገሩን ባለቤቶች አንድ አይነት ማድረግ ከሆነ ብቻ እዚህ አካባቢ ላይ ስለ ተገለጸው subject እንደ ፍንጭ ሊሰጠኝ የሚችል መፈለግ ነው ካልቻልኩ ደግሞ ልክ እንደዚህ አይነት ኤክስፕሬሽን ተጠቅሜ ባለቤቶቹን እዚህ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ካደረኩት of course አረፍተ ነገሩ ትክክል ይመጣል I felt ማለት እዚህ ጋር while I was walking to the store ማለት ነው yes while I was walking to the store I felt the rain began to ልክ ነው አሁን the same subject ነው ኢምፕሊመንቱን እናውቀዋለን ፓራላል አደረግነው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ስለሌላ እያወራ ምናወራ ከሆነ በኢሴ በራይቲንግ ህግ ተመሳሳይ ሰብጀክት መሆን አለባቸው ይሄ ነው ዳንግሊኛ ያሰኛቸው ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ቢ ብለን ትመልሳላችሁ question number 5 here every student must bring their own textbook to class every student must bring their own textbook to class yeah what kind of sentence error does a sentence have every student must bring their own textbook to class if you answer it pronoun antecedent problem yes pronoun referent እንለዋለን ካስፈለገ or antecedent pronoun እንለዋለን ይሄ ባረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያለው ስምና ሪፈረንቱ የሚወክለው ስም ተመሳሳይ አለመሆን it brings sentence errors ያ ምንም ፋላሲ የፈጠረ አረፍተ ነገር ነው ተብሎ እዚህ ጋር so what is the answer here question number 5 yes right every student must bring his or her own textbook to class exactly ልክ ነው because it is a kind of indefinite plural it most of the time agrees with singular verb every student here every student not every student አይደለም እያንዳንዱ ተማሪ ነው ማለት እያንዳንዱ ተማሪዎች አንልም ልክ ነው must bring actually this is modal verb it doesn't add any singular formation it is common for both a singular verb and plural verb here his or her means because of the indefinite pronoun every it takes this possessive pronoun okay or possessive adjective here possessive pronoun his or her it refers about both sexes feminine and masculine on text to class absolutely right every ማለት ሴክሱን አይገልጽም እያንዳንዱ ተማሪ ካልኩኝ ወንዶችንም ሴቶችንም ስለሚገልጽ ሁለቱንም እዚህ ጋር ተጠቅማለሁ possessive adjective ናቸው እዚህ ጋር every student must bring their እኩል እዚህ ጋር singular subject ነው እዚህ ጋር antecedent ነው ይሄ referent እንለዋለን referent ማለት እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ስም የሚወልግ ነው የሚወክል ነው ስለዚህ their plural ነው አይሆንም all students must bring their own textbook to class here it talks about all students majority of the students ካልኩኝ እዚህ ጋር ያለው possessive adjective ማን ነው የሚሆነው their ነው ምክንያቱም ይሄን ነው የሚወክለው ይሄ referent ይሄ antecedent ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ right pronoun antecedent problem ነው a and c are both correct a ትክክል ነው and c ትክክል ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ዲ ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው ያ question number 6 the team won their final game of the season the team won the team look here problem ምንድነው አሁን the team won their final the team እዚህ ጋር which is called collective noun collective ነው በአብዛኛው singular verb ነው የምትጠቀመው their final strong no please the team won it is final game of the season and the team won their final game of the moon the team እያለ እዚህ ጋር ዜር ሊል አይችልም the team won they are final game of the team አይሆንም the team won it is game of the pin ይሄ it is ማለት ነው short reduced form ነው look at the team won it is final game of the season because what talking about the team it is correct possessive adjective is it is it's name of games name of things name of events name of animals actually so we cannot represent this with there one thing the other thing it is represented or designated as singular if it is singular they cannot take this possessive adjective from there for example the players look here if you insert here the players won their final game okay the female the girls the teachers the students the policemen there of course but here it is collective noun it is named as in general one as a group as one the team won their final game it's wrong ነው pronunciation problem ነው ነው ስለዚህ the team የሚገልጸው referent ማን ነው it is ነው የሚሆነው ስለዚህ it is ነው መልሳችሁ a ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ nice please number 7 here she is not only a great singer but also plays the piano beautifully what kind of sentence here does it have subject or what's called faulty parallelism ካላችሁ ልክ ነው faulty parallelism or wrong parallelism just the word or phrases before the conjunction and after the conjunction there must be parallel structure በትክክል ነው ይሄን ባለፈው በአንድ ቪዲዮ የተሰራው እነዚህ በተለይ correlative conjunction coordinating conjunction subordinate conjunction ምንላቸው ነገሮች እነሱ ጋር በእነሱ የተያያዘው አያያዝ ቃል ተመሳሳይ ያረፍተ ነገር structure መያዝ አለበት ካልያዘ faulty parallelism ነው faulty parallelism ከሆነ ደግሞ ምንም የሚሰጠን ትርጉም የለም እዚህኛው ላይ ስለ past tense እያወራ እዚህ ስለ present የሚያወራ ከሆነ nothing we got nothing from the sentence actually ምንም እናገኘው ነገር የለም ማለት look here she is not only a great singer which is noun phrase but also plays the piano beautifully this is verbal phrase no bargu plays the piano beautifully verbal phrase because the phrase begins with a verb a great singer the head word is a noun totally it is noun phrase it doesn't show sentence parallelism wrong she not only is a great singer but also plays the piano still there is a problem That is a problem. Look, the place of verb here. Verb one ቦታ ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር wrong ነው. She is not only a great singer but also a beautiful piano player. Nice. Look እዚህ ጋር ያለውን እዩት. She is not only a great singer. Not only a great singer. What's not only a great singer mean? It's a noun phrase. ከዚህ ቀጥሎ ያለውን ሐሳብ ተመልከቱ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን. What kind of structure is this? You know, she is not only a great singer, noun phrase ነው ልብ አድርጉ ምክንያቱም መሪ ቃሉ እዚህ ጋር ስም ነው a beautiful piano player piano compound word ነው compound word ሆኖ ግን noun ነው actually ስለዚህ beautiful piano player noun phrase ነው እዚህ ጋር የነበረውን adverb ወዴት ቀየርኩት ወደ adjective ቀየርኩት እዚህ ጋር ነው place piano የሚለው እንዳለ ነው ስም ነው piano ማን ነው የሚገልጽልኝ player ነው player particular person ነው proper noun ነው ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው noun phrase ከዚህኛው noun phrase ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው that's right please so the answer is C ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ absolutely you are right please question number 8 I was so tired I couldn't keep my eyes open I was so tired I couldn't keep my eyes open what kind of sentence error here comma splice because I was so tired is an independent clause I couldn't keep my eyes open is an independent clause two main clause cannot be separated with a comma necessarily it's not mandatory please they stand by themselves if possible we put a period and the first this letter can be capitalized here for this comma splice problem comma splice መሆኑን ካወቀን አምስት መንገድ ማስተካከያ መንገዶች እንዳሉ አይተናል ከነዛ ውስጥ አንዱን ተጠቅመን ብንፈልግ ሁለቱን ተጠቅመን ማስተካከል እንችላለን እስኪ ወደ ምርጫው ልምጣ I was so tired I couldn't keep my eyes open no there is no any kind of punctuation mark here it is another kind of sentence here ሌላ አይነት sentence here ምን አይነት sentence here run-on sentence ነው ስለዚህ ቨርስ ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው I was so tired full stop so I couldn't keep my eyes open full stop period yeah period it's wrong please whatever any kind of coordinating conjunction they are always preceding with comma አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ አንድ coordinating conjunction ተጠቀምን ማለት አስከትሎ የሚሄደው ኮማን ብቻና ብቻ ነው yes I was so tired that I couldn't keep my eyes open of course please because it is subordinating conjunction now of course subordinating conjunction possible ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችን ማለት ነው ሲ ብለን እንመልሳለን I was so tired for I couldn't keep my eyes open for doesn't have the ability to join to main clause to make one here ምንም እንኳን ነው ምናልባት እንኳን ብንጠቀምበትም ኮማን አስከትሎ መሄድ ስላለበት አላስከተለም ስለዚህ correct ያልተጻፈም ያረፍተ ነገር ይሄም ልክ እንደዛው ነው ሶ የዚህ ሪዘልት አይደለም ሁለተኛ ፔሪድን አይደለም አስከትሎ የሚሄደው ከሆነ እንኳን ኮማን ነው ግልጽ ያለበት yes ይሄ ትክክል አይደለም ማለት ነው question number 9 after finishing the assignment the video game was played yeah who is finishing the assignment a person yeah what about the video game was played the video by itself which act as the doer not the agent actually አይደለ እዚህ ጋር ስለ ኤጀንት ነው የሚያወራው ፐርፎርመሩ ሂድን ነው አንደርስቱድ ነው አለ እዚህ ጋር ስለ ፐርፎርመሩ ያወራል ስለ ኤጀንት ያወራል in parallel sentence structure ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምንለው ይሄን dangling modifier definitely sure please we have ways of creating the dangling modifier one thing which is important here is we have to have the right to identify the speaker the subject and we have to just adjust the implied subject with the correct subject or what I have identified here in the principal subject that's true please yeah that's true please subjectun identify ማድረግና ሁለቱንም ሰብጀክቶች ተመሳሳይ ማድረግ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለውን principal subject ካወቁት implied subjectun በዚህ መልክ መግለጽ ከቻልኩ አሁን አስተካከልኩት ማለት ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ቢ ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው after finishing the assignment እሱ ማለት ነው he played the video game assignment ከጨረሰ በኋላ ቪዲዮ ጌም ይጫወት ነበር ነው ያላቻለ ፐርፎርመሩ ማን ነው ዶሩ ማን ነው he ነው እዚህ ጋር he ነው while finishing the assignment he played the video game necessarily that's true please or ሌላም እንደዚህ ማለት ትችላላችሁ please after finishing the assignment she played the video game of course ትክክል ነው after finishing the assignment I played the video game ልክ ነው of course okay እነዚህም ፕሮናውኖች ስፒከሮች ኮምፕሊት ማድረጉ ይችላሉ የግዴታ ሂን ተጠቀም ሚል የለንም እዚህ ጋር ምክንያቱም ፍንጭ የሚሰጠን ፕሮናውን ስለሌለ he she and I also possible ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው B ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ ትክክል ነው Interesting please the data is conclusive we must change our strategy the data is this is comma splicing of course because there is a comma between the two main clauses unnecessarily አሁን ካወኩ ይስሙን ካወኩ we think of the four ways of creating comma splice or run-on sentence እሱም ማስተዋወቅ መቻል ነው The data is conclusive? No. The fragment, no punctuation mark between the two clauses, is a fragment. It is a run-on sentence. Absolutely right. The data is conclusive? Yeah. We must change our strategy. Of course. Look at them. Semicolon. አንዱ መንገዳችን ነው. The data is conclusive. So, comma plus this corrective underrating. So, we must change our strategy. So, B and C are both correct please አንደኛው መንገዳችን ሁለቱን ሾርት ኮኦርዲኔት ክሎዞች በሰሚኮለን ከለየናቸው አስተካክለን ጻፍነው ኮማ ስፕላይስ ነው ሁለተኛው መንገዳችን ኮማን ተጠቅመን one of the coordinating conjunction ከተጠቀምን አሁን አስተካክለነው ማለት ነው ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ምን ከታቸው coordinating conjunctionዎች appropriate ወይም ትክክለኛ ሐሳቡን የሚገልጹ መሆን እንዳለባቸው በአጽንኦት መናገር ፈልጋለሁ እዚህ ላይ please yeah Question number 11. To write a good essay, careful planning is required. Nice. To write a good essay, careful planning is required. What kind of is it comma splice? Comma splice moni chilale? Comma splice please. Yeah. Yes, to write a good essay, we could no. That's called dangling modifier, right? Asra andaya dangling modifier problem. ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ያለው infinitive phrase ነው ምንትሉት እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ implied subject different ነው ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብን ይሄንን መፈለግ ነው subject ማለት ነው ይችላል እንዴት ላስተካክለው ይችላል ለምሳሌ to write a good essay careful planning is required it's wrong to write a good essay one must plan carefully exactly yeah one must plan carefully meaningful no because speaker is not indicated here one also any person means To write a good essay, you must plan carefully. Of course it is. Nothing is written that the only answer is he, she, million. You must plan carefully. One must plan carefully. Meaningful ናቸው ሁለቱም ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ የሚያነው ዲብለን ከመለሳችሁ is right for የመጀመሪያው ታርጌታችሁ types of error መፈለግ ነው types of errorን ከፈለግን እንዴት እናሳክለው እንችላለን እሱ ቀላል መንገድ ነው to write a good essay an infinitive phrase ነው right an infinitive phrase ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው principal subject ደግሞ ምንም የሚገልጸው ነገር የለም ስለ careful planning ነው የሚያወራው okay ስለ agent ነው የሚያወራው ስለ door አይደለም so that's really wrong question number 12 here the agreement between the company and the workers which was signed yesterday all right this is a kind of sentence what kind of sentence problem does this sentence have okay question number 12 If you answer fragment, look at fragment. Whatever it is lengthy or no lengthy or too short, a sentence doesn't fulfill all the necessary elements. That kind of sentence is sometimes called sentence fragment. Right? Don't worry about the length of the sentence, please. Yeah. But we should take care of the sentence what it missed. መርዘሙ አይደለም አረፍተ ነገሩ ያላሟላ ጉዳይ አለ በትክክል አልተገለጸም sentence structure በደንብ ማያት ነው the agreement between the company and the workers which was signed yesterday yes which was signed yesterday is was successful or achieved or ምናምን ብዬ መጨረስ አለብኝ ታይኛል so there is a problem here right there is a problem here ስለዚህ ይሄ ፕሮግራም ያልተሟላ ጉዳይ ስላለው fragment ነው incomplete thought ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነው ያ which was signed yesterday was successful ብል አሁን ፍራግመንቱን ቀይረዋለሁ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ችግሩ ምንድነው ፍራግመንት ነው የፍራግመንት ከሆነ እንዴት ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ እንዳለብኝ ጥያቄውን ያያየነው እንላለን please yeah noise the agreement between the company and the workers which was signed yesterday the same no change at all so it's not the right sentence here the agreement between the company and the workers was signed yesterday that's your please here the agreement between the company and the workers yeah ይሄ subject ነው what kind of subject compound subject ነው was signed yesterday predicate ነው of course አሁን አረፍተ ነገሩ ኮምፕሊት ሆኗል ነው የማያስፈልጉ ጉዳዮችን አውጥቼ ታልኳቸው ሚኒንግፉል አደረኩት ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ቢ ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው ማለት ነው question number 30 he saw a deer on the way to school what kind of sentence error here he saw a deer on the way to school all right misplaced modifier no misplaced he saw a deer on the way to school misplaced modifier he saw a deer on the way to school a deer on the way the same sentence with a question on the way to school he saw a deer absolutely correct on the way to school he saw a deer it can be separated by a comma with the main clause this is independent of course correct a deer was seen by him on the way to school a deer was seen by him እዚህ ጋር ማን ነው ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር ነው መታየት ያለበት በማን የታየው በሱ ነው የታየው አይደል the sentence correct but a is ambiguous yeah ቢናስ ትክክል ናቸው ግን ከጥያቄው ጋር የተለየ ነገር ስለሌለው ambiguous የሆነ ትርጉም ይሰጠናል ስለዚህ on the way to school he saw a clear and a deer was seen by him on the way to school doesn't affect the meaning of the sentence so the answer is D ካላችሁ በትክክል መልሳችሁታል ማለት ነው nice question number 14 neither the manager nor the employees was in their office what kind of sentence error here neither the manager nor the employees were in their office wow this is በቀላሉ ነው ምን መልሰው ይሄ subject verb agreement problem ማለት ነው የባለቤትና የግስ ስምምነት አለመኖር we have 15 basic rules of making subject verb agreement meaningful one of the 50 types is if a sentence which can be combined with neither nor either or nor the verb agrees with the neither noun exactly አሁን ዲፋይን ያደረኩት ነው አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በneither nor በeither or ወይም በor ወይም በnor ከተያዘ የአረፍተ ነገሩ verb የሚወሰነው እሱ ጋር ለቨርቡ በቀረበው ስም ላይ ብቻና ብቻ ነው principal subject ላይ አይደለም ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር neither the manager nor the employees were of course ልክ ነው ያ of course ልክ ነው እዚህ ጋር look here neither the manager nor the employees were in his office ነው የሚል the problem እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ ልክ ነው ግን ፕሮብሌም ነው nor the employees አለና more than two employees ለሰራተኞች የሚያወራው in his office አለ እዚህ ጋር ተበላሸ ታያቸው እዚህ ጋር ተበላሸ their office ነው ጥያቄው his office ነው subject verb agreement የለውም ማለት ነው neither the manager nor the employees here employees ነው የሚለው employee ካለ ልክ እንደዚህ ነው employee ያው ስለ አንድ ሰራተኛ ነው የሚያወራው employees ካለ ስለ ሁሉም ነው ይሄ verb የሚወሰነው እዚህ ጋር ባለው noun ወይም noun phrase ነው ይሄ ነው ትክክለኛ subject verb agreement ሁለተኛ እዚህ ጋር possessive adjective ፎርማቸው እዚህ ጋር ያለውን employees ያለውን ነው የሚገልጸው ስለዚህ their office ነው his office ካልክ employees መሆን የለበትም employees ካልኩ እዚህ ጋር possessive adjective ብዙ ቁጥር ሊገልጽ የሚችል possessive adjective ፎርም መክተት አለበት ስለዚህ ልክ ነው ይሄ employees እያለ singular verb አልጠቀም አሳይቶልዩ ሩሉ ምንድነው የሚለው neither noun ላይ ይወሰናል ማለት ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው plural ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር ያለው plural verb ይሆናል ይሄ noun singular ከሆነ ይሄ verb singular ይሆናል ነው እዚህ ጋር ስለ plural እያወራ እዚህ ጋር here ሊል ይችላል of course ፕሮብሌሙ ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር verb ፕሮብሌም አለበት አይሆንም employees were ልክ ነው of course her office አይሆንም እሱም please her office አይሆንም እሱም please that's ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን አላችሁት neither the manager nor what nor the employees were in their office complete answer please here complete answer question number 15 the project with a massive failure this surprised no one splice comma splice wrong use of comma between the two main clauses here and nice አሁን comma splice መሆኑን ካወቅ በቀላሉ መመለስ የምችልበትን መንገድ ፈጥራለሁ እኔ the project was massive no right period ተጠቀምና but t must be capitalized but in this case it is small letter lower letter okay lower case letter አይሆንም the project was a massive failure semicolon a fact that surprised no one of course semicolon identify ማድረግ ይችላል ልክ ነው the project was a massive failure which surprised no one which is called subordinating conjunction plus comma. Absolutely right. So question number 5 is D. Both B and C ትክክል ናቸው። ቅድም የሰጠሁት እንትን ተመልከቱ ፕሊዝ here semicolon ሁለቱን ክሎዞች መለየት ይችላል። ኮማ ስፕላይስን ረሮን ሰንተንስን የምናስተካክልበት መንገዳችን ነው። አንደኛው መንገዳችን እንደገና any kind of subordinating conjunction appropriate ከሆነ እሱም መለየት ይችላል of course ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ D ነው። Nice. We bought a new table for the kitchen that has glass legs. We bought a new table for the kitchen that has glass legs. This is the sentence please. So what kind of that has glass legs? That has sentence error ምንድነው የሚሆነው እዚህ ጋር misplaced modifier ነው አይደል? misplaced modifier ማለት that has glass legs. modify ማድረግ የሚገባው ነገር modify አላደረገም please. ስለዚህ ይሄ ትክክለኛ ማን ነው የሚገልጸው? that has table ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ ገብታችኋል? እዚህ ጋር table ነው። glass legs ማለት የጠረጴዛውን እግሮችን ነው። yes for the kitchen we bought a new table. No. We bought a new table that has glass legs. Exactly. ይሄው ታያችኋል? እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ። we bought yes right here. We bought a new table that has glass legs. that has glass legs የሚገልጸው ማን ነው? new table ነው። modifier ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው። ለምንድነው for the kitchen ወደ ሌላ መሄድም አልፈልግም so the answer is C ብዬ መልሳለሁ ማለት ነው ያ if a person wants to succeed you must work hard yeah if a person wants to succeed you must work hard so what kind of sentence error pronoun antecedent problem ካላችሁ ልክ ነው the pronoun antecedent problem if a person wants to succeed look here you must ነው የሚላችሁ እያችሁ if a person we don't know the person we can represent this noun with someone ነው if I say someone here the speaker should be he or she not you አይደለ a person ከሆነ someone ነው እዚህ ጋር የምንጠቀምበት subject ደግሞ he or she ብለን ነው ኢንዲኬት ማድረግ ያለብን you አንልም ማለት ነው okay so what will be the answer here the answer if a person want to succeed you must work hard no if a person want to succeed they must work hard if you want to succeed you must work ይሄ ልክ ነው ሲልክ ነው ምን ጥርጥር የለውም if you want to succeed you must work hard pronoun ሲሰንዱ ልክ ነው እዚህ ጋር if a person wants to succeed they must work hard so the answer is D. B and C are true please. Question number 18 the book was fascinating I could put it down አሁንም ኮማ ስፕላይስ ነው because ሁለቱም ክሎዞች ሜን ክሎዝ ናቸው ምናሳክልባቸው መንገዶች ደግሞ በጣም ቀላል ናቸው ስለዚህ ማናላችሁኝ አስራ question number 18 the book was so fascinating that I couldn't put it down because there is a period comma here and there is no punctuation mark here there is subordinating conjunction that I couldn't put it down so the answer should be what the answer should be C actually ካላችሁ ልክ ነው is no C answer please ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ማን ነው የሚለው ኮማ ከሆነ ኮማ ነው ያለው እዚህ ጋር ልክ ኮማ ነው ያልኩት እዚህ ጋር the comma here ኮማ አይደለም ይሄ ጋር ምንድነው ራሱ period ከሆነ completely ሊመልሰው ይችላል ጥያቄውን question number 19 having studied for hours the night before the night before fragment because no meaning at all an incomplete idea here fragment what left is his ምንድነው የሐረፍ ነገር የተው ያላማላው ጉዳይ ምንድነው having studied for hours the night before still incomplete yeah having studied for hours the night before the test was AC right having studied for hours the night before he found the test easy right አሁን ፍራግመንት ማን ነው የፍራግመንት ችግር ነው ካልን ማሟላት ነው እዚህ ጋር having studied for hours the night before he found the test easy of course አሁን የተቀየርኩት meaningful sentence ነው because having studied for hours the night before participle clause ነው participle clause ማለት dependent clause ነው he found the test easy main clause ነው ስለዚህ አንድ main clause እና አንድ dependent clause ካለ በኮማ ለይተናቸው እንላለን ይሄ ሰቦርዲኔት ክሎዝ ነው፣ ይሄኛው ደግሞ ሜን ክሎዝ ነው ለማለት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ልክ ነው ይሄ having studied for hours the night before the test was easy no completely dangling modifier problem ይሄ የዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ነው። እዚህ ጋርም አሁንም የፍራግመንት ፕሮብለም ነው ያለበት። having studied for hours the night before the teacher gave us the test ስለት ላይ ዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ነው። yes ስለ ተማሪዎች ነው የሚያወራው ወይም ፈተና ስለሚወስዱ ሰዎች ነው የሚያወራው። ስለ መምህሩ ፈተና መስጠት ነው የሚያወራው። ስለ ፈተና የሚያጠናው ተማሪ ነው። he found the test easy ፈተናው ቀላል ሆኖ አግኝቶታል። ስለ ተማሪው ነው የሚያወራው። ፓራግራፍ ሰብጀክት ሆነ። ስለዚህ አስተካክለን ስንጽፈው እዚህ ነው ኮምፕሊት የምናደርገው። nice please. Question number 20. Each of the players gave their best performance. pronoun antecedent problem ምንም ጥርጥር የለው pronoun antecedent problem ነው ያለበት። ይሄ ቅድም ላይ ሰርተው each ካለ እዚህ ጋር ያለው possessive adjective the first one his or her ማለት አለበት። ሁለተኛ each ካለ all of the players ነው ማለት ያለብኝ። እስኪ ልምጣው each of the players gave their best yes all of the players gave their best performance አይሆንም። አንደኛ each መጠቀም ከሆነ players እዚህ ጋር ያለው proper noun በs ወይም በፕሉራል ፎርም አይገለጽም። መጻፍ ካለብኝ each of the player ብዬ ነው የምገልጸው each of the player gave each ካልኩኛውን his or her ማለት አለብኝ። ዜር አይደለም። ይሄ ነው pronoun antecedent። ይሄ ሪፈረንት ነው። ይሄ ሪፈረንት እዚህ ጋር ያለው ናውን በትክክል ሪፈር ማድረግ አለበት። ካላለ የpronoun antecedent ፕሮብለም አለ ማለት ነው። each of the players gave his or her best ካልኩኝ of course ልክ ነው። each of the players gave his or her best performance of course ልክ ነው። ግን ፕሮብለሙ ምንድነው? ይሄ players የሚለው ነው። እዚህ ጋር players countable and which are found plural noun ነው። each ደግሞ singular indefinite pronoun ነው። ፓራል አይደለም። ይሄ እንኳን ቢጠፋ እንደዚህ ይቻላል። እንደዚህ player ቢል absolutely ተቀባይነት አለው። all the players gave their best performance all the players yes of course this noun is plural and this possessive adjective refers about 30% plural possessive adjective of course look now nice each of the players gave it is no it's wrong please so the answer is C ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ absolutely you are right because this is the problem is what's called pronoun antecedent problem. I think I give you 20 questions focusing on the 7 types of sentence errors. There are two, sometimes they are too difficult. If you practice more and more, the questions are which is in your hand, okay? Which is in your hand. So the better you practice, the easier you answer sentence errors. Not only for answering questions, but also your writing work will be meaningful and effective. If it is effective, it's not boring. Readers easily understand what you have written, yeah? So they are important to make one meaningful sentence, I think. This is what I want to show you about sentence errors. There will be a final examination focusing on Unit 1 to Unit 4, except sentence paragraph writing and essay writing. I think, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. If there might be sometimes a kind of comments, don't forget to write comment through my address here. Nice, thank you please.